شخص تو جان ہے ہماری.
One Khadim asked whether Ahmadi Muslims would continue to be persecuted when Ahmadiyyat would, Insha'Allah, spread in the Western world in future times.
You see, when Ahmadiyya spreads here in the Western countries or any of the rich countries from whom Pakistani governments or the poor countries are getting help and aid, they will stop doing all those atrocities they are committing nowadays against Ahmadis. Right? You see, there was a persecution of Christians till the time the Roman king accepted Christianity. And after his acceptance of Christianity, all the persecution and atrocities against Christians stopped. Right? So same way, here also, even now, they are dependent on these Western countries. And as long as they are dependent on these countries, they will have to follow what these countries are saying. So their God is not the one and omnipotent God, though they claim that they believe in one God. But in reality, their God is these Western countries they are following. So they will have to follow. Okay?
جی پیارے حضور جزاک اللہ.
اے شخص تو جان ہے ہماری.